Monday evening, the snow began to fall.
Big area to get that number for us. Now, one thing I've noticed, we were out here about 30 minutes ago or so, and this was clear. We had someone plow the snow out. Now there's another 1 to 2 inches of snow that has already fallen. So the snowfall rates anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow per hour. The van has finally picked up. The wind has also picked up too. It's whipping around in this building.
Snow and more snow. "10:30 a.m. Snowblowers begin preliminary cleanup. At least 10 inches of snow has accumulated. It's cold, but that doesn't stop the fun. Skiers and snowboarders are out in the streets. Yes, it's cold. 12:30 p.m. and the good neighbor shovels up some more snow. Others opt for a car inspection. And a seawall stroll alongside Dorchester Bay. Then head cross town to East Broadway. Still very windy, but on a non-working day, the people will play. And go for some beer on the corner. While others are snowblowing, bobcatting, and shoveling too. Clearing snow from a street-side bus stop. And still plowing at 10:30 p.m., 28 hours into the storm.